Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhupesh. Hope you're doing perfectly well. So today I'm gonna tell you the story that has happened with me. My channel was hacked on 12th of March 2026 and I got recovered yesterday only. Now there are a couple of things that I want to talk about so that you're not getting frustrated whenever your Gmail and YouTube channel is hacked. So I will be talking about that stuff only in today's video. It will be pretty short. I want you not to panic whenever your Gmail is hacked. So whenever anything that sort of happens, first of all, don't panic and don't get into the hands of any kind of scammers or anything that I will bring back your Gmail and channel. Just give me these many thousands of rupees or in dollars. So don't get into the trap. So you need to directly whenever this happens, right, you need to come to this Twitter account and then tag and tweet to team YouTube that my Gmail or my YouTube channel has been compromised. Please do take immediate action. Then they will send you a direct message onto your account, and the direct message be something would be like this. Okay. Uh, Now they will send you the account recovery form with an alternate email address which is working and then you can specify what has happened to your account within 48 hours. So this recovery form is nothing but the detailing that you want to talk about to the Google YouTube team. You want to talk about when it was hacked, the first name, surname, your handle, the YouTube handle, the channel ID. You can get the channel ID by right clicking on the channel and then it will be giving you the channel ID, or you can have it or you can omit it if you don't know, right? And then if you having an access to your primary email address, if that is compromised, then say no. If that is not compromised, then say yes, and then fill this form and then wait for the return to happen or return from their side. So after you know maybe within 48 hours of 24 hours, you will get email reply from YouTube. It will be possibly a mail from your the YT support, and then they will ask certain other information, and then they will wait for next 48 hours to do further analysis or further reviews. So once they find that everything is okay, then they will recover your Gmail first. And how will you get to know that my Gmail has been recovered? So you can simply go ahead and then do this g.co and then recover, right? And try to recover your Gmail with the help of your secondary email ID which you have kept in your account. And um, and then you can simply go ahead and recover your email ID and add all the relevant security parameter that you should be adding it from the manage Google accounts. You can add all those security things from manage your Google account and add all those security things like MFA and other stuff like adding your mobile number MFA and creating the top 10 backup codes and then store those backup codes somewhere in your maybe notepad or something, and then make sure that whatever you're logged in, these are the devices that are available. If you find that none of the devices seems to be familiar, just delete those devices from them. So that is something you get your Gmail recovered. Now after that, now the Gmail is recovered but your channel is not recovered, then you can appeal to the YouTube by when you log into your Gmail, when you log into your YouTube account, you'll get a form, then appeal to that form providing all the evidences that it was hacked by someone, right? All the screenshots and whatever, and then give a proper date and time, and they will analyze and they will come back and then they will simply recover your channel within a 1 day. So don't get panic, you will recover everything. Google, you are in good hands, but don't get into the into trap of any scammer that will try to take money from you. So that is pretty much, but you rest assured everything will get recovered if you are authentic, if your request is authentic, and please put in all the security controls, because even today I don't know how my channel and Gmail was compromised. I'm still trying to identify or what has happened to that. So stay tuned and put all security tightness on your accounts, both the accounts, Gmail as well as YouTube. Thank you for now. If you need any more details, I can help you free of cost because I have done this thing in 11 days. I can do it free of cost. Just give me a direct message on LinkedIn or Instagram. I will try to help you. I will not charge any single penny because I know how it feels when your account is getting compromised. I can understand. Thank you for now. Bye bye.